Apprecio. Appreciation. Hi, this is Nikki Golly with Fuel Your Body, and today I want to talk about appreciation. Truly having appreciation for the things that you have and the things that you have around you, and especially the people in your life. Having appreciation means to bring unto itself. So the more you appreciate, the more you actually get, the more you actually achieve. The more energy you bring unto yourself and the more appreciative you are. I'm being reminded about this in this compound outside of Iquitos, Peru, where the people here are fully appreciative of everything that they have. They have so little, but yet they're so appreciative of the things that they have. And the ropa, their clothes, they have very little, but yet they take such good care of it and they love it, and they're so willing to give their shirt off their back for somebody else, and to really appreciate the people that are here and the people that are around. And the more people that come, obviously the more money that they make, so the more they appreciate giving and receiving at the same time. Truly tap into your heart and figure out what true appreciation is for you. And the more you appreciate, the more you get, I promise. Have an amazing day, and I appreciate you, every single one of you, very much from the bottom of my heart, my corazón. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hit the subscribe button if you liked what you heard. Hit the share button to spread the word. Remember to fuel your body.